What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video, and today's going to be a little bit of a different video because today we're going to be doing a Roblox Studio tutorial, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a shop GUI. It's going to be a pretty fun video. I hope you guys are going to enjoy it. I hope you guys learn some new things. And if you guys want a part 2 on like how to add buttons into your shop to make it so when you press the button, like a game pass will pop up so that people can buy your game passes for your game, then if you have 4 likes on this video, I will do a part 2 on this. So first thing that you want to do is you want to go into your Start GUI right here. Hit the plus button, add a screen GUI, name the screen GUI, let's name it to shop. So this will be our shop. And then add a plus button on that, hit the plus button, and add a frame. And this will be your shop right here. So I'll name this shop too. This will be shop. So you can customize it as much as you want. I'm going to make my shop look like a normal shop, so we can just go like this, and go down, like that. I'm going to make the background color green, like that, and then we're going to, in this shop frame right here, we're going to add plus sign again, and go to text label. So this will be what's going to say shop. It's going to be like saying shop at the top. So, and then we're going to make this background color green again, just like the top part, and then go down on the text label to where it says text right here, this text part. And then you can change the font to whatever you want. I personally like the source sans bold, so I'm going to make it that. I'm going to hit text scaled. What text scaled will do, it will basically make the text scaled to the label. So if I click this, you'll see it gets a lot bigger. And I'm going to make the text color black because but you can change it to any color you want, like blue, like that. But you can't really see that on mine, so I'm just going to change it back to the black. And the next thing we're going to be doing is adding the X button. So onto this frame again, we're going to be adding hit plus, go to text button, and then this is going to be the X. So you press the X, it will exit out of your shop. So here we have our X. I'm just going to make it like an X button. The text color is going to be red, and then I'm going to make it sans bold again, and then I'm going to make it scaled. And then I'm going to make the background color, where's background color? Here it is. Background color to black. I'm going to make it green again. So it's kind of look like it's built into the green. So we're going to tag the text. We're going to name this, just do an uppercase X so it looks like an X like right that. So when you press that, it will exit out of the shop. But I'm also going to do one thing to make it look a little nicer. I'm going to go to the border size. I'm going to make the border size 5. 5. So, and I like that. So now it kind of has a border around it, so people will kind of know it is the X button. You don't have to do that, but I'm just going to be doing that because it looks kind of cool. So then when we have this, this is the button. I'm going to name this to exit. And then you guys don't have to do this, but I'm just going to do it just to make it so it's kind of organized. And this is the label. I'm going to name this just to label. Label. No, that's not how you spell label. My goodness, my typing skills today have not been good. There we go. Label. And then I think the first thing we're going to be doing again is adding a button right here that is going to allow us to click the button, and then this will pop up. So in the shop, we're going to add in another frame. Shop. Hit the plus button on the shop. Hit frame. And then we're going to go like this. And make it, I'm not going to make it that big, and then I'm going to make the background color just the same color. Everything's going to be green, I know. It might be an ugly green. I'm just looking at the first thing I see. So, and then in this, actually, no, sorry guys. We need to make this not a frame. Sorry about that. We're going to make this a button so we can actually click it. So, like, get it. There we go. Okay, now we're going to make it that big. You can make it any size you want. I'm just going to make the background color green again. And it's going to say, you can make it say anything you want, but I'm just going to make it say open. So this will be the open for the shop. And then we're going to make the text scaled. And yeah, that's what it's going to look like. I'm going to make this a little smaller because it's actually pretty big, so like that. And then when we're on here, we want to make it so when you click this, it will make this open. So on the shop, this big square, we're gonna go down onto data, which is right here. Go down on it. You should see something called visible. If this is checked, uncheck it like that, so it's invisible. And then on this open sign right here, so I'm gonna go to the open. I'm gonna add something called a local script, and local scripts are only work for the player that uses it, activates it. So what we're gonna type in here is script. Nope. Script dot parent, like that. Script dot parent dot mouse button 1 down, that. And then we're gonna type connect, do a colon like that, semicolon, and then do connect. And you want to put nothing in these 2 brackets right here, nothing in those. So then we're gonna put, actually yes we want to put function. I just remembered, we need to put function like that. And then we want to put 2 of those and then delete this. So 2 more brackets like that. It may not look good, but it will make sense later. So then we're gonna do script dot parent again, and then we're gonna do dot frame dot visible equals true like that. So now this should, now if we test this out right here, when we click this button, it should open the shop. Frame is not a valid member of screen GUI. So it seems we have encountered an error. Guys, I have figured it out. If you see, I put frame right here. As you can see over here, I actually named that frame shop. So we're gonna want to put shop inside of it, or whatever you named your frame. I thought it was gonna be frame, but I was mistaken, and it actually is shop. So I just figured that out. So now it should work if you put whatever you named the frame instead, or if you didn't name it at all, it will be frame. So hit this, and now it should open like this. This should be your shop right here. This is good, and as you can see, if we hit the X button right here, it does absolutely nothing because we have not coded it yet. So now that we actually can code, we're gonna go over to that exit button. Since the frame is visible, you're not gonna be able to see it, but this is mine right here. We're gonna add another local script into this. And then we're gonna do script dot parent dot mouse button 1 down, mouse button 1 down. Then we're gonna do connect. And in these 2 brackets, we're gonna do function, that. And let's put 2 more brackets like that. And then we're going to put nothing in those though. And we're going to do script dot parent dot visible equals false. That. So now if you hit play, basically what that script is doing is it's making the visibility of the frame false. So when I click this, it'll make the visibility true, so it'll be visible, but then when I click this, it'll make the visibility false. So now you can see it is working. And yeah guys, that is the video. Hope you guys did enjoy the video. I really appreciate you guys if you did watch to the end. Hope you guys did learn something. Any problems, comment down below. I'll try to help you. And yeah, see you guys next time.